So what do you think? Is it going to start? I think so. It's been a few weeks, but I think it's going to start. I'm actually going to try driving it today to something where I actually have to rely on it. I actually have somewhere to go. So, yeah, I'm going to drive it. Let's start it. Come on, girl. Okay, so the starting still needs a little work. It took a lot longer than I thought it would. It took a lot longer than it has in the past. So, yeah. Anyway, wow, look at that smoke. It's gonna... Okay, old girl, I'm going to rely on you to take me somewhere and bring me back home tonight. Can I trust you? What do you think, guys? Will it make it? Alright, 5 mile drive, 5 mile back, and about an hour in between, so I'm hoping it'll start a little better than it did. I'm not sure if the glow plugs are actually working on it, so hopefully if it's warmed up a little bit, it'll be better. All right, heading to town. Oh yeah, still need to fix this, but you know, what the heck. I'll get to that someday, maybe. And it's about to come off a high idle here pretty soon. Corvette. Wonder if he wants to race. It's running pretty good. Came down off a high idle. It's shifting okay. So let's see. This could be a fun trip. You know, it's always fun. Yeah, you got somewhere to go, an errand to run. It's always funner to drive an old car, especially something you're like, yeah, is it going to make it back? I don't know. There's a little bit of adventure in it. I'm having fun. And there's something in this door just squeaking like crazy, but oh well. There's lots of little rattles actually. Alright, made it to my destination. Now an hour from now will it start and get me back home? Might have to say a prayer. Well, let's see if it'll start. It's been I don't know, a couple weeks. So we're getting dirt on it. Nobody stole it. I left the key in it. Nobody stole it. Surprise. Alright. Let's see what this takes. Come on, old girl. I don't think the glow plugs are working. so These seats are nice.
Oh gosh, aren't they?
They're lovely.
Oh, I love this velour. I wish they made cars like this again. Or, you know, have this kind of material on the seats.
Right.
It's so nice.
It's time to introduce you to, okay, Buick Diesel, meet Cadillac Diesel.